Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you? Hi to all. Today I demonstrate you the tuck paint, how you will use the tuck paint. Start, and also we will go for tuck paint and in full screen. Okay, now this is the screen where you will using this paint. These are the different tools, colors, and these are the brushes size. If you click here first one, now you want to draw the line. Okay, this first one, the second one, and I want to change the color, right? The third one, it is thick from the others, right? When you are going to click this one and this color, now this is the thickness, right? You can draw, and these are the different, right? Star you can create, flower you can create. You change the color. Let's see the other. And if you click here for go down, many things will be you can easily find, and you can make the things by using this. If you make the design, you can. Okay, this one, right? Star. Okay, after there the second one, stem is there. If you want to stem this one, you can big the size, right? This one small the size, you can use easily. Okay, now we'll go for the other. These are different lines you can use. These are different brushes, right? We can change this one. Okay, and then the also you can use and color. These are different shapes. If you want to give, click here, that square will be filled, and without filling you will click here. Now this is without filling, right? Right side filled and the left side is without filling, right? We can use this one. Text you are using, for the text you click here, you want to write here. You can write here, you can. Okay, if you want to change the color, these are the different alphabetical orders. These are using for different found face, right? More using for small, this one using for large. Okay, these are the labels. If you are using the labels, using for undo. Magic is that one, when you click here, if you click here the row, you can. These are many things involving inside that one. If you want to fill that one color, you can fill that one. Okay, is using for new one. If you want to erase, they are using for erase. It will size, if you want to small size or big size, you can using circle. Okay, now after that is using for saving purpose. If you want to save, This is using for open. If you save the data and you can open, you can. They are using for the quit from that program. They are using for a print. You want to print anything. Now we will go there and we want to open a new one. If you want to change the background, you can easily change the background. These are different background there. I want to click this one and OK. Now I will click here for magic and I want to fill this one in different colors. You can see. Okay, now you can change that one. Okay, how you will quit from here? I click here. Want Do you really want to quit? Yes. And don't save. No, don't bother saving. Okay. Subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon. You will find new video inshallah. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz. And we will discuss more that one software also.